A superior rig for catching fluke. The high-low rig. No swivel, directly from the main line. So here's our fluke rig that we've been using. Got a fluke jig here with a teaser hook. So we're going to cut this above the teaser hook. And there's the old rig. We tie our rigs directly to the main line. No swivels. We don't buy rigs. We buy hooks and weights or jigs. And the hooks we're using are #1 offset J hooks. This is one of the reels my wife uses, the Pen Pink. So to make this rig up, first we're going to put a surgeon's knot at the bottom of the line. That's for the weight. Once again, we got no swivels, nothing like that, no barrel swivels. So I'm going to get her line, double it over, and just make a double knot. Go through there once, go through there twice, wet your line, pull it tight. That's a surgeon's knot. Cut your tag. Now what makes this a high-low rig is you got a hook low and you got a hook high. So let's do that. So I'm going to come up about 12 inches from where the weight's going to be and put my first dropper loop. Fold that over like that. Those top 2 lines are going to spin around themselves about 5-6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now I'm going to reach through and pull that bottom line through the lines I just twisted. And I pulled that nice and slow because I didn't wet it yet. Now I'm going to wet it. That's where my low hook's going. Put these hooks on. I'm going to get the dropper loop. I slip it through the eye of the hook. And that comes right over the end of the hook and pulls up. Putting a second hook on. Going to take that dropper loop, put it through the eye of the hook, like that. So there we got the 2 hooks, high-low. Now I'm going to put the weight down here. I got my 2-ounce coin sinker. I'm going to get the surgeon's knot at the bottom. We'll slide this loop through and just pull it over the hook. So we got the high hook, we got the low hook, and we got the weight. So when we're fishing off the boat, we're just tapping this on the bottom. Got minnows on these hooks. A superior rig for catching fluke. The high-low rig.